This is stage 12 of our big route through Belgium.
The GR128 is a long-distance hiking trail that starts in the northern France, completely through Belgium, a little piece of Netherlands and ending in Aachen, Germany. A total distance around 600 kilometers.
The last hike that we did was one of the most beautiful hikes that we have done here in the route 128. I don't know what's going to bring today. So we're going from Ghent to Schellebelle, a very small village. It was very early this morning, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes, very early. But we like to do that, hiking, starting the day very early. Then it's so quiet. Here it's not quiet because we are in Ghent, but soon we will be in nature, and then we have a quiet Sunday because this is something we like to do because our life is really hectic. Like in the hair salon, whole week from Tuesday until Saturday, it's really busy. Working in the hair salon, working with clients, talking all day, rushing because you have to work against the clock. There's every time a new client, you have to be ready for the new client, so it's working against the clock. My wife was also the whole week in the beauty salon, and then combining with 3 kids. Everybody who has kids knows that 3 kids is heavy, so it's really busy life. Then combining with YouTube channel, 3 channels. It's not because I have 3 children, I have 3 channels. The one is more successful than the other, but you have to work on every one of them. You have to edit the videos. So it's a really busy life. And then on Sunday, hiking in nature, that's our escape. So let's see what the stage is bringing today and how many bugs my wife will see along the way. Because sometimes I scroll through the pictures, I see a picture of a bug and it's like, I didn't see that, and she did. Then she's vanishing from my side, and then she saw something in a flower, on a leaf, on everything. A small bug. She has bug's eyes. Wanted to check out this little cabin, watch over the water to see the birds, but when we closed by the entrance we saw legs lying on the ground. So it was moving, don't worry, it was moving, but we quickly turned and went back. Okay, maybe, I don't know, a fisherman maybe with fishing in the pool, or a hiker, or somebody who has no home. That's all possible, but we didn't want to check it out. Let's move on. Are you Jane? If she is Jane, I have to be Tarzan. I don't say anything, but she says I'm Jane, so okay. Let's go. That was the wetlands. Okay.
Look,
What?
how is it called?
Oh, the boots path. So you have to wear boots. Yep.
What do you do? Your bottle! Your bottle!
What? No! 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 No!
You lost your friend! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah! That's nice!
That's good. I have to drink of this. Nom 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 nom.
You have something on your arm too.
Ah! What is that?
A bug?
A what?
Something from a bug.
God damn it.
You need another one? Honey? Do you need another one?
Another bottle? Yes.
Was it a nice trip today?
Amazing. Oh, what a fun day. I will clean my bottle. Oh. Very dirty water. It's better. It's all so muddy because in the last few weeks and months it was raining a lot. And if I say rain, not just a little bit, really drashing, really a lot. Oh my God, look at this. And today I don't have my waterproof hiking shoes on because I have a problem. I have bladders. If I have my heavy shoes on because my feet cannot breathe, and I say I will take my light hiking shoes on. Yeah, this is interesting.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Yes. Can you swim? No.
Oh my God.
Yes. The oldest written word that they found about this castle, this slot, because this is a slot, this is not a castle, this is a slot. It was in 1360, and in 1950 it was given to the Royal, what is it? The Royal Union of Historical Buildings in Belgium to restore it. And then in 1960, I think, it was open for the public. The gardens are amazingly beautiful. Normally you can visit the castle. Now it seems to be closed. Maybe it's in the afternoon, but we cannot go inside because our shoes are not that clean. It's a very beautiful slot. The town Laarne is also very famous for his witches. So in 1607 there were 6 persons trialed as witches, 5 women, 1 man. 4 were executed on the pyre. 1 was not executed, he was free of charge, and 1 man was put it outside of Laarne. He could never come back anymore. So, and there is a group of women who are ambassadors of Laarne, who making this history in order so it could never be forgot. So this little town Laarne, it's a really little village, is really famous for its witches. So I don't know if we're going to hike through Larne or not. Let's see. But you see a lot of historical buildings here. A long time, like 100 years ago. White house, really cool. See, they are really proud of their witches. We have in our region where we live also a witch village, Beselare, and every year there is a parade of all people that are changing themselves into witches. Very, very cool to see. But I see we are here in the center of Larne. Maybe we can drink some coffee or eat something small. Let's see. We decided, it was pizzeria and a food bar, but we decided to eat at home this evening, just relaxed. It's like we are not dressed to really eat somewhere inside with our muddy shoes on. So we're going to hike further. We have a
long way to go.
We have a long way to go, yes. And we have our picnic with us, so we're going to hike. Picnic, yes, it's like sandwiches.
Do you have picnic?
Picnic.
Picnic has gone.
Already up? It's finished for you.
Yes.
Oh, not mine. Oh yeah, che. Are we in the jungle? We are at the end of our stage. Yes, I'm sure. But we have to take a small, it's not a ferry, it's like a small boat to the other side. Like you saw in the last stage, I filmed that and we didn't have to take that. But here in Dutch, it's called veer. But here we have to take one, and I hope we can take one. If we cannot take one, we will have to hike very long to get to a bridge. So let's see if we can take one.